Welcome to Hawaii. What's Carolyn doing? She's putting her contacts in right here. The Kona Airport got off our 7-hour flight from Phoenix after our 5-hour flight from Detroit. Rays from the dolphins?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, honey? Let's find some dolphins. Yeah. Ready?
So we're somewhere into
in the water.
So the mom and the escort are right below that baby. She's hovering right above the mother.
Ooh, that was a big one.
There's the escort.
Oh, there we go.
We'll get you guys in the water with some dolphins. What do you think?
There's a
Sounds
little
good.
one. There's a little one.
And now we're going to Stork Park. Yes, here we go. We're gonna find some turtles.
Yes, I love the turtles.
Maybe.
I don't know what I like better, swimming with dolphins or swimming with turtles.
Dolphins.
I know for you, but I don't know. Turtles, because you can just see their little faces. They're just so cute.
Here's the little fish ponds. All those things out there, it's funny. Uh-huh. Just drove down a pretty bumpy road with our little Kia.
What time is it?
Your butt?
Exactly.
Yeah, 10 to 3. We gotta be there by 3. 10 minutes.
10-minute break.
Snow on the mountains in Hawaii. There it is. Welcome to Kekaha Kai State Park. We had just enough time to stop here and visit Makalawena Beach. We then had to quickly rush back for our Manta Ray tour. On the party boat with our awesome guide, Andy. This one's some Manta Rays. Here we go. Night snorkel. Gotta get, I need to know what the stance is. No pressure at all. Thanks for joining us on this awesome adventure, guys. We'll see you in the next one as we explore more of the island of Hawaii.